Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Meanwhile, in real life with Zoya. So, in this channel, we talk about a lot of things like beauty, skincare, travel, lifestyle, fashion, what all I bought, what's on my wish list, and lots more. Even I don't know what more will come on this channel. So अगर आपने मेरी लास्ट वीडियो देखी होगी तो उसमें आपने देखा होगा दैट आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट मोको एंड एक नहीं बल्कि आई गॉट टू मोकोस सो ऑफ विच वन वॉज दिस वन. अब आप सोचोगे वाई एम आई सिटिंग विद दिस. So I used it for a while. I think it has been 2 weeks now that I've been using it, but there are a lot of issues that I found. So today I thought that I'll go and get it exchanged to a new one. So on their website, Mokobara says that there is a 30-day return of no questions asked. We are going to test it today. But I thought that before I go and get a new one, let me just tell you what problems I faced this May so that you don't face any. First, starting with what is good, I really love the wheels. Like you can see, they've gotten a bit dirty because I've been using it like anything. And they're very good. Wheels are amazing. Quality is really nice. Everything that way is very nice. Now, what problem I faced was because of this. You remember in the last video I talked about कि ये compartment इसलिए लिया था so that my laptop and everything can fit in well while under my सामान can come and it'll get easier for my airport check-ins, for everything. So while this time I was traveling, I thought let me just carry this one. And what I realized was that that's really less space. I'll show you. मतलब ऐसे if you'll open it looks a lot, right? But actually अगर आपने इधर सामान रख दिया तो आप अंदर के इस कंपार्टमेंट में सामान रख ही नहीं सकते. रख ही नहीं सकते. It's really bad. I'll show you how and what I mean. So इस side everything comes really well, but this side either you can keep space things here or you can put it here. That's it. So for example, इसमें laptop रखते हैं, you can see how thin my laptop is, so this comes in, ठीक है. But if I want to keep my chargers or files or anything, this won't come in. अभी you'll say कि हाँ आ तो रहा है, but then when I'll go and close it, it won't close only. So it's like you have to pack really light. So if you're going for example 2 days, then this is enough, because as girls we have lots of other things like men can also have, but like shoes, makeup, jewelry, so all of that was not fitting in at all. So then I was a little disappointed with the space. Initially also I was skeptical, as I told in the previous video, कि which one should I get because जगह कम है इसमें. But having said that, जब ये बंद ही नहीं हो रहा है, I try to keep a few of my footwears, वो भी नहीं आए. I try to keep chargers, like removing this, I try to keep a few of my laptop chargers, etc. वो भी नहीं आए. So only it can have like this much space is wasted only to keep one laptop. So it was, I think, a little disappointing. So I'll be going and exchanging it, trying their 30-day no question asked policy. Let's see hota hai ki nahi hota, and I'll keep you guys updated. So now I'll go and get the normal one without the front laptop sleeve. So let's go and see kya milta hai. So hello guys, I'm back. Mokobara खरीद के exchange करके. So let me tell you about my experience first. So it was really smooth. जो वो बोलते हैं कि 30-day warranty and no questions asked, they literally did not ask me any questions. I went very smoothly. उन्होंने बस पूछा कि आपने किस स्टोर से लिया था और आपके पास उसका बिल है कि नहीं है. तो बोला इसी स्टोर से लिया है, तो उनको बिल की भी ज़रूरत नहीं थी. They just inputted my number और पूछा date of purchase क्या है, and they could find the bill also. बट मेरे पास बिल भी था, तो आई शोड देम दैट. बोला यस मैम हो जाएगा ये. So that was really good. So kudos to Mokobara for making it so easy and customer friendly. Okay, so now what did I get? So I got this one. तो पिछले वाले के साथ ये डस्ट बैग बहुत लड़के लिया था, इस वाले के साथ ये फ्री आया है. काफ़ी भारी दिल से वो पुराने वाले मोको को बाय बोला है हमने. I was so sad because I was attached to it in 15 days that I used it. 15-16 days. So Yeah, I'm really sad. But yeah, this is the new one. So let me unbox it in front of you. Ooh. Okay, so this is the one. If you would have seen my previous video, तो I've bought इसी का बड़ा वाला भी. So there were quite a few options in plain colors as well as in these dual Mokobara kind of colors. But कोई भी उतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. जो नॉर्मल वाला था उसमें ऐसे वर्टिकल स्ट्राइप्स थे, वो अच्छे नहीं लग रहे थे हमें. देन एंड में ओनली दिस कलर इज व्हाट आई लाइक. व्हेन आई कंपेयर्ड, so this is 1 liter extra than the other one that was 40 liter and this is 41 liter, so that gives this an added advantage too. So yeah, and अंदर का भी I'll खोल के show you that how it looks. तो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था for customization. इसकी जो प्लेट है इसका साइज और उसका साइज डिफरेंट था, सो उस वजह से इसको आई गिव लेटर एंड आई हैव टू ट्रैवल अर्जेंटली टुमारो, सो आई वांटेड टू एक्सचेंज इट. बट इसको बाद में भी जाके आप कस्टमाइज करा सकते हो कभी भी. ओके, सो लेट्स ओपन इट. ओके, तो अभी तक थोड़ा सा तो आपने नोटिस कर लिया होगा, दिस इज नॉट द सेम रेंज. दिस इज the new one. इसमें there is this shock absorbing के लिए, there is something here. ये I think, I don't know, से कुछ तो बताया था ये है, but I don't know क्या है. Oh, this is a pouch, so you can have a laundry bag kind of a thing. ये सब फ्री मिला है हाँ इसके साथ. Then this is also I think cleaner. इस पे लगा के you can clean. उसने कुछ तो बताया था यार, I forgot what he told. This is my warranty. No, this is lock कैसे set करना है वाला. Then this is the other side. So इस वाले में another added thing is that it has a charging के लिए socket. So इसमें आप अपना power bank डाल सकते हो इससे connect करके, ठीक है. And बाहर से यहाँ पर, कहाँ पर, यहाँ पर अपना चार्जर लगा सकते हो. तो while you are on a go, like you are traveling, so what you can do is कि इसमें power bank अंदर डाल दिया, you don't have to carry it every time, and then it gets convenient कि बस ऊपर socket लगाया and you just put in your charger, so you don't have to carry a power bank. I know it's not that huge advantage, at least अभी नहीं लग रहा है. Maybe once I start using it, and I also saw a few reviews जो लोग बोल रहे थे कि बहुत यूज आता है ये. I don't know, अभी तो नहीं लग रहा हमें that it will be that big a usage कि हाँ ये भी होगा वो भी होगा. But yeah, there was no other option that I had, and I had to exchange that, even though look wise it was really pretty. But another thing that I figured out later was कि जो वो वाला था उसका जो आगे का flap था, that makes it less sturdier. So now because of this it's even more sturdy, because अगर इसको आपने कभी check in में दिया, which can be a possibility, so even if they throw it or something, so this is sturdier than the other one. Another thing is that this is 6-year warranty के साथ. The other one was, previous one was 3-year warranty के साथ. This is 41 liters, that was 40 liters. And weight I have not measured yet कि क्या difference है, that I'll put in the on over here. Yeah, and this has a charging socket and the other does not. So initially when I was looking at these bags without flap वाले, so it was like कि मैम ये तो 1000 सस्ते होंगे आपके flap वाले से. So I was like okay, कि तो they have this policy I think that they won't give you a cash back. So they said कि 1000 का आपको कुछ और add करना पड़ेगा. I said okay, but जब ये वाला लिया, so they said कि इसमें मैम आपको और थोड़ा pay करना पड़ेगा. I was really sad. I still am. तो इसके लिए I had to pay extra. I had to pay an extra of 3,000 rupees to get this, and पिछला वाला 3,000 सस्ता था. But then I thought ठीक है, utility wise this is better. I'm just trying to still convince me that this is better utility wise, color wise. अब मेरे पास family है, both my Mokos are of the same color, so if I'll carry it together it will be so pretty and this and that. Also तो ये मेरे दूसरे बैग से तो मैच करता ही है जो कि बड़ा वाला है. ये एक और चीज़ से मैच करता है जो कि मेरा Stanley. Yes, these are just the smaller things which are making me happier. So yeah, ये सब कर आके finally I have this one. I miss my old one a lot. I was really emotional क्योंकि वो first मोको था that I ever liked, that I ever bought, but I had to exchange it. उसकी जो ये plate थी that I have, I'll just show you. So this is the plate जो कि उन्होंने ही बोला कि मैम आपको ये वाली प्लेट रखनी है तो रख लो. So you can see it's really small as compared to this one. क्योंकि उसमें जगह कम थी. But this is for my nostalgia. And आप लोग भी कभी एक्सचेंज करें तो आप अपनी प्लेट्स रख सकते हैं because you have paid 400 for this engraving. So yeah, ये मेरे पास रहेगा as a memory. इस पे I'm thinking I'll get maybe something new. इस पे Zo कराया था, बड़े वाले पे ZK कराया था. इस पे I'm thinking maybe I'll get Zoe or something like that done. But once I return from my travels. But yeah, so this is my new Moco. And I'm still sad. I'm still recovering. I used ChatGPT a lot to ask, ki please make me happy. Then I went to Harajuku, which is a cafe here in Delhi, and I had jiggly pancakes with Nutella. I think that was one thing that healed me a little, but I'm still recovering. 3000 जो खर्च किए थे उसको heal करने के लिए और खर्चा किया है. So you can understand how messed up I am. But yeah. So yeah, I hope you liked the review. If you have more questions of anything related to Mokobara, because I've researched quite a bit now at different levels for different sizes, what comes where, कौन सा लेना चाहिए, किसमें कितनी warranty है, क्या है. So you can drop in the comments. Then if you have any doubts regarding the warranty, regarding the 30-day trial period that they give, you can again drop in the comments or anything that you have. I'll start using it from tomorrow. And उसमें भी if you have some doubts कि is it working well, is it not, should you go for this or not, 3000 extra pay करना इसके लिए makes sense or not. So drop in all of those comments. And if you have not watched the first video, go and watch it. Like, share and subscribe on both the videos. Every view matters, every like matters, every subscriber matters. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.